Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have ketone. One side you have methyl, another side you have benzene. In benzene you have ortho position halides. You're reacting with methyl magnesium bromide and acid hydrolysis. You should find what will be the final product. Here you are adding methyl magnesium bromide. So what really happens is nucleophilic addition to the carbonyl. It creates O nucleophile. Nucleophile can attack the chlorine because chlorine is a very good leaving group. So it attacks mean you have the new cyclic 6-member ring. The cyclization driven the reaction because it is more stable. Here one important fact you should learn here is probability of intramolecular reaction is higher than intermolecular because in intramolecular reaction atoms are readily available, no collision required for the reaction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.